The most surprising aspect is really the hands-on nature of the experience. Sees a lot of volunteers throughout the years they've been doing this, and they're still as gracious and patient and transparent with us as though we're the first ones that have ever been here. And so that has been an amazing surprise to me, is answering all our questions, bringing us in as close as we can be in different experiences, and being flexible with us to adapt to our needs as well, and ask us what we want to be a part of, what we'd like to see changed, things we've observed that maybe they haven't. At the school, we went and did the gardening with the children. It was quite humbling for me because I know nothing about gardening. And so the kids all telling me how to garden, and garden organically, which was fantastic. And so, you know, they were instructing me, and it was a great opportunity for them to be in a position to give instruction to me, because oftentimes as volunteers, you know, you're working with children and sort of instructing them. And so I liked the reverse role of the kids telling me what I needed to weed, where I needed to water. And it was a great sort of reversal of roles with the kids.